What's going on, guys? My name is Marcel, welcome to my YouTube channel One Dapper Street, and welcome to today's video. Before we get started, you may have noticed that on this channel I started posting a little less frequently, like once a week. That's because I'm trying to figure out how to utilize shorts to give you guys more summed up, well packaged information during the week a few more times than I have one big video a week. Let me know what you guys think about that generally, and then also if you have any ideas for shorts, please drop those down below in the comments. But today's video is about white jeans. That's because recently in a video I wore them and somebody was like, tell me about this Labor Day thing. So in America, after Labor Day, it's like the end of summer, pretty much. They say don't wear white because then it's fall and like you're not supposed to wear white. I call bullshit. Because, who cares, right? Like, the one big thing with white jeans is they get dirty easy, and that maybe holds true a bit more for the fall, but stylistically, they're an incredible piece. So today I got 8 outfits for you, and I'm gonna keep the rest of this video pretty quick, just bam, 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 dope look after one after the other, so I can convince you that white jeans are your way to go for the fall as well. I'm gonna be wearing these from Zara. They're a bit more high-waisted, a slim fit. And now let's get started with outfit number 1. And the whole outfit looks something like this. We've got Converse crafted boots in a cognac leather color, on my feet leather color, cognac color in leather. There you go. Up top from Abercrombie, this beautiful faded rose red colored denim over shirt. Damn, this is way too many words to describe that one jacket. You see what it is. It's medium weight, so it actually keeps you a little bit warm. This is definitely like for early fall. We're kind of progressing into colder temperatures as the video goes on. But underneath I'm wearing a tank top, same thing, kind of like a summer remnant. And then I chose to wear this hoodie from Best Made, tied across the chest. I think this is a great styling tool and also excellent for this transitional period, because guess what? If I do get cold, I'm gonna just pop this guy on, then I'll be good. But this video is about white jeans. I wanna point out something about the white jeans with the look for every one of these, probably. And I think here we have that like lighter color up top, and then even the brown is not super dark. So for me that works, there's not too much contrast. I'm almost tying in that like lighter white here, and then just a tiny bit, but like the tank top speaking out, and I feel like that carries on the color scheme throughout the outfit. Outfit number 2, a bit more classy and a lot more contrast, starting with the black ASOS Chelsea boots that I recently got. Absolutely love those, so you'll see them again and also in another color. And then up top we have darker blues against that white contrast. The shirt is from Rag & Bone. The base here is navy, then there's some black, some yellow, and some white in there. And on top of that, from Reese, a suede trucker jacket in a medium blue. The navy is just dark enough to be different enough from the blue so it's not clashing. I like the combination of these two pieces. And then, look, I know that I could wear a pair of black jeans with this outfit and it would look sick. It would look great and it would be a solid fit, but I think the white jeans just kind of set it apart from the rest, make it a bit more fresh, a bit more of a head turner, and I really like it. We're picking up here on the white, and then to further note on the contrast, if I'm gonna have a pair of contrasting shoes like these, I usually want to pick up that same type of contrast on the upper half, so then it seems more balanced again. So that's what I did for outfit number 2. For the third outfit, I think the biggest point is that you can combine any sort of color combo with the white as the base and it looks amazing. So in this case, we're focusing more on earth tones. The cap is from Club Monaco, and I've been incredibly obsessed with caps recently. I don't know what it is. Maybe because I'm growing my hair out and then this just looks a lot cleaner. The jacket is from Zara in a nice lighter faded olive underneath, from Everlane, a sweatshirt in an oatmeal color, and then on my feet the Aldo combat boots in a really nice oatmeal, like grayish oatmeal color as well. So picking up the color of the sweatshirt incredibly well. Overall nice and light colors. Even though it's earth tones, I'm not going for like a really dark brown, so it's nice, and we have managed that contrast yet again. And yeah, I really like this. I think maybe the jacket should actually be a bit more relaxed, just because the boots are fairly bulky, and the sweater is like not loose, but also not super slim fitting. And I feel like I'm a little restricted. I just got this, so maybe I'm gonna size up a little bit. But overall, I love the color combo, and earth tones and white, home run. Next up, our first achromatic outfit, black and white. Back in the same ASOS Chelsea boots. I told you, you'd see them again. I do love these so much. If you watch my Chelsea versus combat boots video, I actually mentioned that I was gonna get a pair of Chelsea boots that's a bit chunkier. These are them, and I'm still very excited for you to see the next colorway. But like I said, big fan of caps right now, so we got a cap right here from Amazon Basics. Then we've got a hoodie from Free Assembly and a washed out black denim jacket from Everlane. Here, same thing as 2 looks ago. We have a very high contrast, black, white, black, It's very important that the black is picked back up for me. If I just was wearing the boots and nothing was really like a deep black to kind of reflect that in the rest of the outfit, I think it would throw me off. That's very much a personal thing for me. Even on the flip side, if I was wearing black jeans and white sneakers, which I know a lot of guys do, I can't wear white sneakers unless I pick the white back up. So like I'm big on contrast. So that's, I guess, the biggest note on this. The overall vibe, very relaxed. These boots have me ready for anything, any type of weather. And this is still like very comfy, cozy. A hoodie with a denim jacket is a classic, but I like the combination of like the dark, true black against that faded wash black here. For outfit number 5, we're starting off again with the Aldo combat boots, and this time we're kind of taking that color and are extrapolating it. I know, big word. Extrapolating it to the upper half of the body. I think if you take the color of the shoes and you make it a bit darker, you kind of get the color of this, and then you make it even darker, you kind of get the color of this. So that's a really nice color story, like a monochromatic, but still differently shaded color story that works really well for me. The bag is from H&M. Saw it, loved it, didn't even realize how well it goes with the shoes actually. And then that quarter neck sweatshirt is quarter zip neck sweatshirt. It's from Abercrombie. Yo, I'm sorry guys, I feel like I've been having a week. And clearly the words aren't coming out right, but as long as you know what I'm talking about. This is from Abercrombie. It's oversized. It's a really nice color. Like it's all of that like faded grayish tan. That's like the general realm, which I think is really hard to talk about. I don't know what you would call this, but have a go at it and leave a comment down below. And don't hit me with light brown because that's too easy. Anyway, I really like the different shading. We pretty much just have the 2 colors, whatever this color is, in 3 different shades, and the white. It's a nice contrast. It's not too harsh, it's light. We have the tank top from Uniqlo peeking out underneath. And generally, I love quarter zips. They're gonna be big this fall. They were last year, then a bit more sweater, this time a bit more sweatshirt, a bit more street. So I'm really excited to be styling not only this piece, but a few other pieces that I already got in my fall wardrobe for you guys. And don't worry, fall essentials video is coming very soon. Outfit number 6, and here we got a rented piece of clothing that I got from Seasons. If you guys wanna check it out, I'll put a link down below. It's a website where you can rent designer clothing for a monthly fee. Then you can either keep it, pay for it, or send it back. But I thought it was cool. Underneath from Hugo Boss, a nice sweater. And then once again, those Zara jeans. And this time we have Adidas Supercords on my feet, white sneakers, the only sneakers you'll see today. Everything else is boots. Well, one of them is a sneaker boot, I guess that counts. Another hat from Amazon Fashion. These were a recommendation from a friend of mine because I was like, oh, that's a really sick cap. And he's like, yeah, dude, like $15 on Amazon. So I want to link everything that I find down below for you guys to shop. But what's interesting with this outfit is that I had a really hard time finding shoes for it. And I was trying out some like blue boots, but then it seemed too on the nose. I decided to go with simple white sneakers because I think it also shows the following: that you can nicely kind of like separate your upper half from your lower half. That sounds so brutal. It's just about like the upper half in contrast to the lower, so not picking it up. I think it works here because it's a fairly simple outfit. This is not something I would do a lot, but like I said, I feel like maybe I'm just missing a pair of shoes that would really go well with like this outfit, which is very unlikely because I have a lot of shoes. But let me know what you guys think, and let me know what you would wear. What kind of shoes would you wear with this? Because I was looking at like navy suede Chelsea boots, and I feel like that could have been a vibe, but let you guys decide. For the second to last outfit, I'm wearing a thrifted trench coat. It is fall, it's coat weather, and I'm really excited. Underneath from Zara, a printed sweater, and then on my feet, finally the other colorway of the ASOS Chelsea boots in brown and black. You can see how I'm wearing them now that they're really, really high because I tucked the back of the jeans in just to accentuate the silhouette of the lower leg more. And overall, you know, if you paid attention to this video, you know what I want to talk about next. Contrast, yay! So we got white jeans, but then we got darker brown and black on the feet. So I needed to pick that up somewhere. It just didn't look right for me without it. So in the sweater, at least we have those black leathers, and it's the darkness that kind of like continues throughout the outfit, but it's also picking up specifically on the black of the sole, as well as the, there's a name for what the elastic is called on a Chelsea boot, and I, who owns a shoe brand, should know what it's called, but it's been a minute. Anyway, we've got, without the trench coat, just kind of like a cream color, white and brown, but I wanted again to play on this like earth tone color scheme, this time just with a few accents of black. And if you want to stylize this a bit more, because I've realized this is a fairly stylized look overall with the oversized trench coat, you can do something like this, try and make it really fashion, but that's entirely up to you. You can also not do that and just wear it normally. As always, all of this is just here to serve for you guys as inspiration to try something new, to find your style. And with that, let's take a look at one more outfit. Arguably saving one of the best for last. I am absolutely in love with this aesthetic, with this look. This coat is from H&M. It's got like a greenish tint to the brown color that it is. Underneath from Free Assembly, a cream colored sweater. And then on my feet, once again, back to back ASOS boots. You saw them in 4 looks today. If you guys haven't fallen in love with them, I don't know what's wrong with you. That's a little aggressive, but I really, really like them, and they're fairly affordable, really comfortable, around $100. So link to everything is down below. Why do I love this so much? Because it's basically a much simpler version of what we just looked at. It's less stylized, it's less out there. We've got a plain sweater, we've got a more fitted overcoat in this case, and we still have the contrast well managed with the darker tones of the boots, but then we have the darker coat, even some black buttons. Buttons are something very subtle that actually, to me, make a big difference in an outfit. But I really like this, it's nice, it seems put together, it seems classy, but at the same time, it's relaxed. And the colors are, even though they're all different colored pieces, it just goes really, really well together, I think. So I want to take this off for the outro, because it's getting warm in here. There you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that if you were a skeptic, that you're not anymore and you just wear white jeans. If you never thought to wear them and this rule is like completely new to you, then don't ever learn it, and I hope you liked today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments, questions, thoughts down below in the comment section, and especially about that, you know, YouTube Shorts thing. I'm also launching a new YouTube channel. Only the real ones that stick around till the very end get to hear about this. I'm launching a new fitness YouTube channel very, very soon. I'll give you more info as that is happening, and I'm really excited about it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a fantastic day, or morning, or night, wherever you're at, and I'll see you with the next one. Until then, as always, stay dapper, guys. Bye.